Look at the early Christmas gift my husband got me, you guys. Okay. You have to see this. Not only is it a jewelry box for your earrings, brushes, you know, you could do your makeup. You could stand right here and do your freaking makeup. Okay, look at this table. Okay, all your rings go here. This goes back up nicely. You got storage for necklaces. I absolutely love this part. Sorry, the lighting got a little bit weird, but you could put like perfumes. I love the little drawers at the bottom. There's two. It does come in many different finishes. More necklaces, bracelets, a little bag, earrings. Now, I put my own LED lights on it, but it's a mirror on a swivel. And, okay, wait for it. Okay. Some people put purses back here, but I had to be extra. Y'all know I had to put decor back there, but look how cute. And the reason I love this is because when it's spun all the way around, you can't even tell that this is a mirror or a jewelry box. It's on major flash sale. I cannot believe the price. I've never seen it this low. So if you see the link below, because it was like low stock, you better grab it while you can. The people are selling it out. So grab it. Love y'all.